Everyone, welcome to the new week. It is February 1st, a new month, and current time is 11:22 a.m. Eastern. So this morning we closed out of a few positions. You can see the total position count is 6. The spreadsheet says that we're at $4,400 or $4,500 if you round up, and closed out of a couple positions this morning. You can see all the February 1st. 1, 2, 3. They just weren't going my way. Like I said in the last video, I was in too many positions for comfort, and yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you the actual account balance right now. It's showing 3,800. Let's go ahead and increase this size, but I had closed out Zillow as well as First Solar and Palantir Tech. Okay. When I first entered this one, like I said, probably should have never entered it in the first place, and it's kind of just been trending against me the entire time. But let's go ahead and look at First Solar on the chart. This is the daily chart right here. Even though the day is not over, this is yesterday. It had a nice big down day from 106 as the high and all the way down to 98, closed at 99. Here it's trending down and down, 95. I originally didn't have a stop for First Solar, but I figured why not just save the losses and help the account. Let's check out Zillow. So earlier when I closed it, it was actually trending down. It looks like it's a little up right now. This is the open at 131, and it's up to 132.96. Let's look at what the position's worth. I closed the position out at 150, and now it's at 190. Overall, I would still be down on the trade, but that's okay. I wanted to reduce positions anyways, and here we are. So now all I'm in is SOS, which is down 7% right now. Daily chart, as of right now, still looking pretty good. Opened here, currently down to 283. VIX is pretty high, the market volatility, which goes to show you might not want to be too heavy in any positions. Still on the positive upside for this one with the histogram, and it's still in the squeeze. It hasn't shown any sign of me getting out yet, so we are in KNDI. Laser is definitely getting pretty close to 50% on losses, but the yellow is still above the pink EMA. We have positive histogram right here. So it could still end up going up. We don't know. This is where I would like it to be. This alert right here. This is where I definitely don't want it to go, but it is what it is. Boeing, I'm still in it to the short side. And it has not really moved much at all today. You can see this is where it opened up. It went down and then up. It opened here, went all the way down, and is up a little bit right now. Only 95 cents up. I would like it to get as close to 190 as possible because my vertical spread is from 200 to 190. So as long as it stays within the range, the 190 is expiring or decaying every day, and the 200 is holding its value. Right now it's $5 in the money. CC is although the momentum is slowing down, the moving averages are still stacked and the day's not over, so gotta let it do its thing for now. And the last one, OPTT. We're just gonna let that one keep going. Hopefully we can get out close to where we got in eventually, around the 675 mark. And if that doesn't happen, that's okay. But yeah, that's it for now. Currently, the first few losses really pushed against me. We'll see where we're at by the end of the day. It is 3:40, 20 minutes till market close. This is what the account's currently at from this morning. Typically, I don't like to close positions till later in the day. Same reasoning for opening positions. It would rather be like right when market opens or when market's about to close like it is now. Let's go ahead and make this a little larger. Okay. That being said, I closed out Zillow earlier when it was going down. But now, if I were to close it out, it would be up, say, $5, and I'd be able to get more premium for my position. So could have had lightened the losing trade in a sense. It was just too early this morning, and a lot of my positions were trending down. So yeah. But that's okay. Let me go ahead and edit this study real quick. I want to make my 21 more noticeable. Oh. There we go. All right, so the 21 EMA, we're going to take it into account more. I want to basically fix my, or not fix, but improve my entries and be more selective with the trades. So when it comes to entering new positions, I only want to take trades if they are on top of the 21 EMA, which is this now dotted line. All right, let's see. Let's go over my current positions. Let's hide some studies, that's for sure. So I just created a new label. It's called Stock DMAs. It didn't come from me. I saw it from another YouTuber. And basically it lights up green when the price is above all of the 8, 21, 34, 55 indicators. There we go. So the 8, 21, and 34. Perfect. So SOS is still doing pretty good. Still got positive rising bullish momentum. Okay. KNDI. This would actually make sense to enter a new position, but the momentum is decreasing, so it doesn't make sense to enter a new position. But it is right on top of the 21 EMA, which is what I would like. But since the momentum, like I said, trailing off, we're not going to enter a new one. BA, we want it to continue going down. So let's see. Let's see if we can maybe, might not be a bad time to close this out. It hasn't really moved in the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Although it's saying it's a good entry to continue down, I don't know if I trust it. I don't want it to necessarily rally. You might want to go ahead and take profits on BA. Profit loss since the open, $300. Yeah, let's go ahead and close this out. 200 and the 190. Okay. So I own the 200. I want to sell that and then buy the 190. Okay. Put in a sell order on that. Check out the next chart. Laser. You can see the indicator's red now. So the price isn't above all the indicators. It looks like it actually might be increasing. It's tough to say right here. But we're not going to increase positions since we have a red label. And that's the goal with it. Just keep it super simple. CC not looking too bright. All right, let's go ahead and scan for some new positions real quick. This is a watch list I have going. I only have about 14 minutes. So I'm just going to look first thing, red. Don't want it. Nope. It's not in a squeeze, so what can we do? But it, oh, we just got out of the BA, so let's go ahead and put that in the sheet. $4.90 credit. This makes me happy because we have a lot of money sitting in cash, not too leveraged. Only $1,200 in the market, it looks like. Okay. Take BA off of our positions watch list. All right. Red label, downward momentum, so we're gonna take that off. I'm just gonna take everything off that's not in a squeeze. There we go. Oh, we already looked at laser. Nope. This thing has taken off. Okay, there's no way we can get in that. Okay, we have stacked DMAs on Blink, and it's pulled back to the 21. Or no, sorry, it's not green. Okay, and the momentum is trailing down, so nope. Looks like AMD broke out to the downside, but we're looking for positive trades, so. Same thing happened with Starbucks a while back. I thought about getting into that. Nope. You know what's weird is I thought I saved a watch list, and none of these are things that were on my watch list. If you guys want to see how I'm picking some positions, here's some of the filters I'm looking for. I just beta over 1, float short over 30%, 52-week high, 10% more or below. So let me go ahead and move this screen over and type out some new positions. We have 10 minutes, by the way. So, interested positions. There we go. Okay, there we go, all fixed up. I actually like AYRO a lot, but price isn't really above, and the histogram is dying down. This is too far away from the 21 to have an entry. Not in a squeeze, dying momentum. Nope. Nope. Dang, this thing really took off. Unfortunately for us, not currently in a squeeze and losing momentum, so. Okay. This thing really rocketed. That would have been a great trade. Wow. Let's check out another list I made a while back. So I'm just looking really quickly. I want to see if the stack DMAs is green. Yes, okay, and squeeze just fired today. So missed this one. The ideal entry would have been on the 27th when the price was at around $64. It's up $6 right now, not bad. I'll keep it on the watch list though. Okay. Oh wow, this would have been good to get. I was looking at this the other day. It's right on top of the. So the yellow bar indicates that the momentum's moving upwards, and it did have a strong push. So might want to try a credit spread on this. Let's do it. So I'm going to be looking for a credit spread on the downside, and if it keeps moving upwards, we'll collect the premium. We'll give this a little time. So let's see. $160 to $150. Okay, so with this, we get a credit of around $195. And assuming it continues on its path upwards. So basically, as long as by expiration it's above 160, we get to keep the whole premium. But let's give it a shot. Hold on. Let me make sure the spread is tight. Okay, it's about a 60-cent spread here and a 50-cent spread here. That's not terrible. To get filled, let's ask for a little bit less money. And what's our collateral cost of trade? Buying power, $800. Hold on, let's save this order for now. There. Didn't get rid of it. Let's look for one more. We have 3 minutes left. Uh-oh. SWKS. Wow. Quite the jump from yesterday to today. 169 to 186. Wow. But it's too far away from the 21, so we're not going to do anything with that. We'll keep it on the watch list, though. All right, we have 2 minutes till market close. Oh, PayPal. Let's see if we can get anything better for PayPal than we could with HCA. Okay, yeah, let's do it. We'll try to do a spread on PayPal. Current price $242. This area is $234. $235 to $230. Okay, collect $187. Do I want to extend the no. Yeah, this max loss is better. Charts, monitor. Let's go ahead and try and get that order filled. There we go. We just did our first credit spread on this account. Okay, let's see if we can look at anything else in the next 30 seconds. And let's add PayPal. Yep, this is enter to squeeze. Nope. Spotify, we'll look at it. Okay. Nope. All right, that's it. The market's closed. So the nice thing about the credit spreads and verticals you don't have to have a ton of money in your account to enter positions if you use spreads correctly. Okay, this would have been pretty good. It's right on top of it. I would rather get it, of course, right here. Except momentum isn't there. Did I check on PayPal for the momentum? Oh no, I messed up. It was falling momentum. On HCA, it would have been maybe a little better. I could have tried out a different contract, but the PayPal looked even better. Momentum's rising on this bar for HCA. And I happen to go with PayPal, so we shall see. I went with the 230 put. PayPal's at 240, so we do have a $10 buffer that it could stay above until expiration, and I give that 2 weeks out. So yeah, if PayPal rockets in the next few days, then there's actually a chance we could collect most of the premium early on. If not, then we could hold on to it until February 19th and potentially collect all the premium. So that's that. Account balance right now, $3,800. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.